Hi everyone, we're back today on the Magnesium Minute. And right now we want to talk about magnesium liftgates. When we move to magnesium on liftgates, there's three main advantages. It's weight reduction, part reduction, and our joining options. And specifically about weight reduction, we save about 50%, depending on the model and application, compared to outgoing models.
That's right, and we reduce a ton of components, as well as support multiple hinge styles with clamshell, gooseneck, or any other hinge style the customer wants.
Right, and we're able to achieve that by casting in over 50 features in each one of these styles. You can see the two separate styles here. Or three separate styles, excuse me. We've got the single one piece over by Josh. We've got a two-piece design where the wiper blade bar comes across and is assembled. And then we've got the swing gate on very popular SUV models.
And another advantage of using magnesium is the performance that you get for in a crash event, being able to protect the occupant.
Crash safety improves and NVH performance improves as well. Yeah. Hey guys, remember, lightweight is great.
On the Magnesium Minute.